Friends, today I'm so excited to install with you my new office chair. I love it because it's pink. I love pink. And I already unboxed it. I have here all the parts of my chair. So let's go install and we will see how it works and how it is. So this is the way that our chair office looks already installed. One thing that I love about this chair, more than pink, is the ergonomic design because you can adjust this for your hands. You have this for your neck, and the design is also ergonomic for your back here, and you can adjust the head too with this part in this part. Now I'm more taller, and I love that my new chair combines perfect with my keyboard and my mouse. So now my office is more beautiful and I work more comfortable. So I highly recommend this office chair. See you.